All right, guys, go ahead and take out your notebook so you can take notes today during our video while I do this anchor chart. Today we are talking about real world rates. I know. All the time you think to yourself when you're in math, when am I going to use this in real life? So I wanted to take this moment to show you some real life examples for when rates and ratios are going to be important. So what do ratios have to do with real life? How can I use them to solve real world problems? How can I use ratios to solve problems in my life? Okay, that is today's focus, how we can really use ratios to solve problems in real life, not just at school. Okay, so my husband and I are thinking about buying land because we would like to have horses. So I know I need 6 acres of land per horse. Okay, per horse that we want to have, we must have 6 acres of land. Okay, so must have 6 acres of land per horse that we have. Okay, because they need to have plenty of spaces to run around. So I need to know if I want 5 horses, how many acres would I need? Okay, so in order to solve this, I am going to do it in a chart. All right, so I know I'm dealing with acres and horses. Okay, my problem tells me each horse, so one horse, I need 6 acres. Okay, now this is my rate, because that is what I'm starting out with. My rate is 6 to 1, 6 acres per horse. Okay, now my end goal, 2, 3, 4, 5. My end goal is to have 5 horses. So I am going to fill in my chart. So if I know 6 to 1, I need to get to 5. So for each one, I have 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30. So I need 30 acres for 5 horses. So my answer would be 30 acres. Now, another way I can think about this would be in fraction form, because for this rate, I could have written it 6-to-1, 6-to-1, or 6-to-1. Now, I'm going to think to my equivalent fractions that I learned way back, and I could have done 6-to-1. So this was my acres, this was my horses. Now, what if I want 5 horses? Okay, so I have to think, how can I get from 1 to 5? I could have multiplied by 5. So what you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. 6 times 5 is 30. So same thing, 30 acres for 5 horses. Okay, so rates, it's very similar to equivalent fractions. Okay, this is the same thing as filling it out in a table. That's just 2 ways for you to do it.